Assalamu alaikum. Now let's start nucleus, and it is the most important cell organelle of the cell. It controls all the activity of the cell, so it is known as control center of the cell. It is also known as master or director of the cell. It was discovered by Robert Brown in root cells of orchids in 1831. Usually, one nucleus is there in the cell, and in some cell it is absent at maturity, like mature RBC, mature sieve tube cells. In paramecium, two nucleus are there, one big nucleus and another small. Big one is known as macronucleus and the small one is known as micronucleus. So two nucleus are there in the paramecium. The big one is macro and the small one is micro. Nucleus is small, round spherical mass, usually present in the center of the cell, and usually nucleus contain nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, chromatin network or chromosome, and nucleolus. Here, nucleus is made up of two double membrane nuclear nuclear membrane, that is a double membranous structure, and nucleus is double membranous structure, so double membrane is there around it, that is nuclear membrane, and inside it fluid is there, that is called nucleoplasm, and here the circular structure is nucleolus, and these are the pores for entry of the for exchange of substances, and these are the nuclear pore. Here this fiber intermingled fibrous structure, it is chromatin material, and at the time of cell division it is condensed to form chromosome. So nuclear membrane is the outermost covering in which the nuclear pores are also there, which help to exchange the substances, and inside that transparent semi-fluid is there, that is called nucleoplasm. Inside this semi-fluid substance is filled inside it, that is called nucleoplasm. And then the nucleoplasm contains chromatin network and nucleolus. Chromatin network here you can say, and the nucleolus. Chromatin network at the time of cell division condensed to form chromosome. So this is only this fiber-like structure only condensed to form chromosome. So at the time of cell division, they are condensed to form like this type of a structure, ribbon-like structure, and they are attached to a point that is called centromere. This point is known as centromere. Here you can see the spelling. This is the centromere. So this chromosome or the chromatin network is made up of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and protein. And the number of chromosome is always constant or same for a particular species. Like for human being, number of chromosomes are 46, or you can say 23 pairs. So they are always constant for a species. And here the functional segment of the DNA is called genes. Means you can say functional segment is called genes, and genes are actually the carrier of heredity. Means they carry the character from parent to the offspring. So the character which an organism possesses, that is because of the genes, because they carry from parent to the offspring. Here this nucleolus is dense, round, you can say this round structure attached to the chromatin fibers, and the nucleolus sometimes they can be more than one. Usually it is one, and they can be found more than one also, and it is non-membranous cell organelle. It is rich in protein and RNA, ribonucleic acid, and this nucleolus is helpful in protein synthesis by forming and storing RNA. So it is helpful in protein synthesis by forming the or storing RNA. It coordinates various life processes and means uh, all the function which is going inside the cell, that is controlled by the nucleus. And that's why if nucleus would not be there in the cell, then the cell will be die. Chromatin part of the nucleus possesses all the genetic information, means whatever the organism having characteristic, that all information is there in the genetic material. And means all the information is there with the genetic material. So an organism an organism, whatever the characteristic possess, that is that all information is with the genetic material. So DNA contain the functional units, that is called genes, and genes are the carriers of heredity. And whatever the variations are caused, and that is because the changes occur in the genetic material present in the nucleus. Next cell organelle means next part of the cell, that is protoplasm. Means like protoplasm is actually cytoplasm plus nucleus. So nucleus I explained you just now, and along with the cytoplasm together it is known as protoplasm, and it is the living part of the cell. And the chemical composition of protoplasm varies from one cell to another, means the different cell having the different composition of protoplasm. The common element found in protoplasm are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, iron, phosphorus, sulfur, etc., and which help to form carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral and water. So we can say all the living component of the cell, they are found in the protoplasm that have to perform the different function or the different life processes of the cell. Now let's start the difference between the animal cell and the plant cell. So size and shape, usually smaller in size and oval in shape or round, they are the animal cells, and comparatively larger in size and rectangular in shape. Means plant cell usually rectangular in shape, and animal cell usually round or oval. And the size also, animal cell is smaller than the plant cell. And in animal cell wall is absent, but it is present in the plant cell, and that is made up of cellulose, and which gives the rigidity to the cell. Vacuole are either absent, or if it is present, they are small in size and scattered. So means in animal cell usually they are absent, or if they are present they are small in size. But in plant cell, in mesenteric tissue, they are absent, but in permanent tissue they are the large central vacuoles are present, which help to keep the cell turgid. Then Golgi bodies are well developed and present near nucleus, and the component the component of Golgi bodies are diffused in the plant cell and are called dictysome. In plant cell, these Golgi bodies are not well developed, and they are improperly developed, and they diffuse in the cytoplasm, and these structures are known as dictyosome. Here the centrosome and the centriole. Centrosome and centriole are present in the plant cell, and it is absent in the animal cell. Here the plastids are absent in the animal, and it is present in the plant cell. Storage of reserve food. Reserve food is stored in the form of glycogen in the animal, and it is stored in the form of starch or oil in the plant cell. Here the cytoplasm dense and more granular, means the granule-like structures are found in the cytoplasm in the animal cell, and it fills entire cell. Here the cytoplasm is not so dense, only a thin line of cytoplasm is arranged on periphery. Now let's start cell function. Functions of cell in all living beings. Its function is to help in growth. Means the growth of the organism is a result because of the formation of new cells that is produced by the cell division. And bulk of the body is also due to the repeated division of the cell. it helpful in reproduction also. So whether it is sexually or is actually reproduced, but it is carried by the cell only. Means this cell helpful, or you can say the cell division occur in the cell only, and this reproduction is because of this cell division only. In sexual reproduction, cell division play a very important role to maintain the number of chromosomes through the process of meiosis. So means reproduction is a process that also carried by the cell only. Functions of cell in plant: absorption of water and mineral from soil, that is also done by the plant cell only, and we already discussed in lower classes. It means like you must have studied the new student which come from the different schools, and but in our school we taught our student this how the absorption occur through the process of osmosis, diffusion, active transport. So this absorption of water and mineral from the soil, that is also occur through the cell to cell by osmosis, diffusion and active transport. Then production of food. The food that is starch which the plant produces is through the activity of the green cell of the leaf. Means as a result of photosynthesis, plants prepare food in the form of glucose, and later on the extra it is stored in the form of starch. So that is also done by the cell only, because inside the cell the photosynthesis occur and they form the food, and later on it is stored there in the cell only. It produces colorful flower and fruit. Means the color of the different flower, fruits and the vegetables is because of the pigments which is developed inside the cell. Opening and closing of stomata in leaves or young stem, and opening of petal of a flower are all due to changes in the water content of their cell. So means opening and closing of the stomata is because of the water content. When the water comes to the cell, then it becomes turgid and the stomata open, and when the water transpire from the cell, then it is flaccid and the stomata close. So that all because of the cell activity only. Now function of cell in human being. So the movement that is possible due to the contraction of the muscle cell. Tasting food while eating, that is also because of the taste bud that is present on the tongue. And the digestion of food and its absorption, that is also done by the cells present in the villi, which is present in inner side of the intestine. Transport of oxygen in the body, that is also because of cell. Means red blood cell carry the oxygen within the body. And the thermoregulation means the temperature is regulated or maintained by the skin gland by sweating. So by sweating in summer, or increase cell metabolism in winter. So we can say cell play a very important role in survival of organism, and or in other words we can say is every function occur in the cell. So because of the cell only the organism can be alive or the survived. And we already know that the cell is the structural and functional unit. In the beginning only we know this thing, means from the lower classes, that cell is the structural and functional unit. Means the structure of the organism is made up of cell, and all the functions occur in the cell only.